During Thanksgiving in 2025, Magikid and Techblazers bring first VEX AI Robotics Workshop to Toronto. Students build their first AI robot. Also show what they have learned. Kids have experienced the fun of different AI robots here.
Alright, now we'll go around a little bit.
They saw how their robots can become smart without human control. Be able to see the AI works with the V5 robot step by step. We can't really learn everything about AI in 2 days, but the teams are already in full swing discussing how to share their AI knowledge. Yes, share and inspire each other. Solving problems together is their most important game.
My name is Joshua, I'm in grade 8 and wants to learn more about enslaving AI to do your tasks. We learned how AI learns from data by playing Quick Draw and watching this blockhead called Albert, who is trying to learn how to do something that all toddlers can do, which is just to walk.
We trained AI to be Italian by teaching learnable machines this very distinct Italian gesture.
But VEX AI is fully autonomous with AI-driven robots.
Models for competition for VEX AI, the robot, and I thought that was something I would like to learn about a lot because it looked very cool, first of all, and second, I feel like there might be things that could be maybe improved on, or the design could be changed a bit to something that
Basic AI robotics knowledge is of course not enough. It's just a beginning. The entire industry also has many problems waiting for these young learners to solve in the future. The future belongs to them. Right now. Sign up now for the AI robotics team. Well-known universities Berkeley, Caltech and UC I have set out in the ring. Invite AI robot enthusiasts to compete. Magikid AI Robot Accelerator now available. Join us.